but you can't handle it. That sucks for you, but it's good for me. I love.
So this is the wig after I dumped it a couple of times. I'm sure on footage, but this is what it looks like. So some of it is lifted. Obviously some parts are still yellow, which is fine, but we're going to fix that hopefully. So this is what it's looking like so far. Let me brush it out. So this is what it looks out, just looks like combed out a little bit. I do have like some silver parts in here. So this process do take a very long time. I don't have all the yellow out, as you guys can see. So they did say that you have to be really patient with this. So I think I'm going to do the dumping at least one more time. I did it twice already, so I'm going to do one more. So this is my hot water, and I'm going to just apply just a little bit. I'm not even going to go overboard because I already did this, like, this is my third time. Whisk this away. So this is what the wigs look like now. It's a lot of light on that. Try to bring the phone down. This is absolutely better. It's still some yellow, but you're not going to get all of the yellow out. Multiple people will tell you that you're not going to get all the yellow out when you're trying to turn your wig white. So let's move on to the next step. So I have some hot water right here. I did not boil the water. It's just regular hot water right here. And see, it's coming up really yellow, but it's not. It's, if you can see, it's really changing. Now I'm going to go in with the Adore 150 Platinum, and I'm only going to use just a little. Trying to get all them chunks out, mix it all up into this water. And this is the first time I'm ever doing this. I never did this before, so hopefully it turns out. And I just wanted to record this to share this with you guys. So I don't know if you guys can see, but here in the front, the roots, the knots are really, really white. I do still have some yellowish here. I don't really care about everything else being yellow. I need the white to lift more in the front. So I believe what I'm going to do, I probably might whiten it, try to tone it out one more time in the front. So this will be my third time dumping it in this shimmer light, okay? Because I noticed that the roots are white, but it's still some yellowness in there, and I really need the front part of the hair to be white to get what I'm trying to achieve. So we're gonna just dump this again, and hopefully it come out a little bit better. So it may not look like a lot has been done. If it was dry, you probably can see it. Um, it's what? White, baby. So I just put some more of this platinum in there. Let's mix it. I'm thinking, I don't know if I want to tone it one more time. I want to, and I should add some tracks to it because this wig is very thin. It's so thin you can like see the tracks. It's bad. But it is still some yellow in there. I'm not gonna say it's completely white, but it is some yellow in there. And in some spots that's whiter than others. So I'm thinking about maybe toning it again. Don't know yet. Okay, so this is boiling hot water this time. I was just taking the water from the sink and just putting it in. This is boiling hot water. I'm going to use whatever rest is in here because I did get a small bottle. And I'm going to put like a little bit of conditioner in there too. Hopefully, I just don't overtone it, okay?